Hi, I'm Mark from Building Small Engine. Today we're working on a Dixon Speed ZTR. It's a 46-inch cut. The reason they brought it in is it's this side here is cut like an inch lower than the other side. And I checked all the tires. I put 10 pounds in both front tires. And the back tires, I got 8 pounds in these tires. And I'll show you the second. The deck's just hanging down on this side here. And that has a lot to do with on zero turn, you go around trees or something, you get a tree, hit a tree or something on this, and it'll stretch out them bars in front, or the brackets, it'll bend the brackets. So I'll show you an easy way how to level these decks. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, as you can see, like the front tires on the ground and the back tire is up in the air. Like 90% of the zero turns, we have two bars, one here and one there. Riders usually only have one in the front. I'll show you a rider here. Riders got just one in the front in the center. But zero turns have got two. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this plate off here. Okay, to level like any Dixon or Husqvarna zero turn like this, it's all basically the same. You only need a few tools. Them nuts on the front, they're 5/8. Need a 5/8 wrench. And like one of these levelers, you put this on the bottom of the blade. That's how you level it from left to right. And if you don't have one of these, good old-fashioned tape measure works just fine. So I'm going to put the camera off to the side here. Actually, I'll probably turn the lawnmower a little bit so there's more room. I'll start tightening that rod, and I'll show you how it lifts up that deck. Then we can do all that, then we'll fine level it so everything's perfect. So I'm going to tighten this one up a little bit. See how it's already raising that deck up. Front of the deck's 3 inches. The back of the deck's 4 inches. So let's tighten her up just a little bit more. And it's set on high. Three and a half. 3 3/4. So just a little bit more on this side here. Just a little over 3 and a half. It's a little over 3 and a half. Now let's do this other side here. That one's like 3 3/8. That one's 3 3/4. So we'll just tighten this one. Just try it one half of a turn. And before you do all this, make sure all the tires have the same pressure, like the 2 back ones and the 2 front ones. And it'll say on the side of the tires what the max air pressure is. You don't want to exceed it. Then if you have a bump of your lawn, it's good to lower your pressure a couple pounds. That's like a shock absorber a little bit. Kind of lessens the bounciness. Okay, that one's 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, and 3 and a half. Then we can always double check it with this little plastic thing. These things don't cost that much. You can get them at your local lawnmower dealer or on eBay or Amazon. You set this on the ground, and this goes at the bottom of the blade on both sides. Feel where the blade is here. And never have a thing running when you're under here. It's on 4 inches because the blade's in there. Like a 1/2 inch up in the deck. Let's do this side here. Get underneath the blade. And that's set at 4 inches too. So the deck's all level. It's not that hard to do, and it makes your lawn look so nice. And it's always good to take the blades off and check the blades, make sure the blades ain't bent. Well, that's a quick and easy way of leveling your deck. As you can see, the deck looks so much better under there. Only need a few tools, and it's really simple. So I hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching my videos. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.